Visibility 102,000.
Rockford approach, Aztec 7181 Yankee, level 3,600.
Aztec 7181 Yankee, Rockford approach, Rockford altimeter 3025, state destination.
Kilo Echo Foxtrot Tango, going to Monroe.
781 Yankee, roger. Advise me have the weather at Monroe.
We're getting the weather in a second. 7181 Yankee will advise. So I'm going to turn off the left alternator and leave the right one on, see if that one, if it likes that better. One alternator just charging. We'll do it the other way around. Turn off the left one, turn off the right one. Leave the left one on. Alright, that puts it at 28.7. Anything under 29, it won't beep. Man, if I knew it was going to be this bumpy, we wouldn't have went flying.
It's bumpy.
Alright, this is brutal. Alright, we're 20 minutes away. We're almost there.
Lake Geneva's not frozen. It looked like I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's nice. There's some big, beautiful houses there, man.
Oh, God, yeah. Mansions.
All right, let's get the...
Dew point -2 for altimeter 3022.